Basic footwork drills that you should do for combat sport. First things first, your stance must be 70% rear leg and 30% lead leg. Your arms must always be on your head to protect you from being hit. This will be your shield from the strikes. Always use your lead leg when going forward, followed by your rear leg, and vice versa going to your back. Practicing lateral steps drills will improve your balance and coordination. This will develop your muscle memory and all the movement pattern for your footwork. And then try to mix up the movements. Pivot drills should be practiced to develop our awareness in changing direction. This could be very beneficial for your footwork in doing counterattacks and defense. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Us! What up?